Isn't the best place to find the lovers of the...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a bit different than the traditional vlog that I usually do. Today I just want to show you guys how I actually lay my edges down when my hair is overgrown. Typically when your hair is overgrown, when you have braids, you normally get your outer perimeter touched up, right? Or you take them down. Well, because I did not do neither, I have to literally lay my edges along with some new growth down. So I won't have this wild looking hairstyle, or I won't walk around here looking crazy, because who wants to go out looking crazy? Who wants to go out looking like a fool? So the whole purpose of this video is just to show you like a little technique or a little method I use just to give me a decent look until I go take out my braids. Because my braids are too full and too big, I can't just throw a wig on my head. So I have to literally, you know, work with what I got to give me a decent look and a decent appearance, because I don't want to go out looking crazy. So if you guys are interested in how I actually achieve the look on fulfilling the edge lay down or the new growth lay down, then stay tuned. Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a bit different than the regular vlog. I am going to show you guys how I lay my edges down on my overgrown braids. So many of you know, if you do not get your braids touched up around your outer perimeters, or if you don't take them out, you haven't taken them out yet, you have a lot of new growth. You see that? I have a lot of new growth. Because I'm going to step out today and I'm not going to take my braids down right now, and I did not get my edges touched up this time, I use a simple method. May not be simple for y'all, but it's simple for me. So I'm going to show you guys what you're going to need. You're going to need some edge control, a toothbrush, a comb, and a headscarf. So I am going to show you guys how I lay my edges down, and to give myself a decent look. Well, I won't be out here looking crazy with all this new growth and overgrown edges. You can use any edge control that you got. I'm using this kind. It's called Trust the Process. But if you got the argan oil, olive oil, whichever one you got, you can use. Whichever works for you. Whichever works for you. I find that this works well for me. So I am going to start from the middle part of my hair, because my edges is way overgrown. But when I get done, you're not even gonna tell. You can apply as much as you need. It's all at your discretion. I apply what I feel I need to lay my edges down. I'm not gonna say it's a generous amount, because I always think I apply what you need. So I'm gonna take my comb and comb back my new growth, as well as take the toothbrush and brush it back like if it's a regular brush. And you kind of a swoop. You guys see how I got how it's smoothly laid, the edge, and I swoop with the toothbrush and my finger all at the same time. And I'm going to repeat the process until I get all the way down to the end of my hair, but I'm gonna do one side first. With my little bit of sideburns, I just brush those down and then I try to swirl it, like kind of give it like a little swirly. Sometimes I struggle with curling the end of it, and sometimes I don't. I don't do too much to that part. I just swirl it up and give it a little swirl and go on about my day. I'm going to repeat the process on the other side. See how this is smoothly laid, you guys, compared to this compared to this. I found out that the more you smooth and brush at the same time, the better your edges lay. That's just what I found out that works for me. Everything may be different for everybody, but I know for me it works. It works. It works. I don't know about y'all, but I know like one side of my hair or sideburn is thicker than the other. Like this one is thinner than this one. And I also find that I can do one side better than I can do the other side. They always come out looking different. Always. But they still looks good, but it comes out looking different. I can do my right side better than I can do this side. And I think this probably goes for everybody because it depends on what hand you are. And since I am right-handed, I can do my right hand better, my right side better than my left side. See, I'm struggling with this curl. See? Edges are laid, and to get it to be smooth right here, that's what the scarf is for, because it helps me lay my edges down even further. Because I'm going to wear my hair up in a bun today, a messy bun look is going to work out just fine. So now that I'm done laying them down, I am going to take my scarf and I am going to tie it around my hair, around my edges, just the edges area, to give me a better lay. So I tie this around my head. We will leave this on my hair until I get ready to leave the house or when I'm done with my makeup. In this case, I am about to go do my makeup first before I leave the house, and then I remove the scarf. Okay, y'all. Now, it's been long enough. I'm going to say at least an hour. Because I ate, put on some makeup, and that was it. So now I'm going to pull it up. You can either wear it down, which I'm not going to wear it down. See how my edges are laid? They're like laid smooth. I'm actually going to wear my hair up. Or you can wear it to the side, whichever way you like, or up. I am going to pull mine up into a high puff. see. Nice and smooth edges. And I am just going to wear it in like a messy, fun type style. Literally. And you guys. And that is it, you guys. That is just that simple. I mean, it don't look crazy like it did at first. And it don't. Look like who did it and why. But y'all see how my edges curled up and won't lay down? I'm leaving it just like that. Cause I ain't got to. You guys, it's just that simple. They're laid down. They're nice and smooth. My little curl right there. But anyways, my edges are laid. I just put it up into a little high puff bun. Cause I didn't want to wear it down. And that's it. It don't look bad. And that is it. I'm gonna call it a day and go about my business because I got a decent hairstyle. Until next time.
Who the fuck does shit like this?
Me. It worked. I love you too, babe. You talk about me being a pervert. You are a big old pervert.
I ain't even do nothing.
Let's get started. Oh. Why is this on the wall?
Oh.
Stop.
The hole.
The fuck? Cause it look funny having a sticker in my picture in the background.
You better fucking blow that bitch out. You in the fucking hole?
Oh, you fucked it up. Covered the whole. It was already hanging off like that. How you think I pulled it off?
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
The bottom was.
No, I pulled it off from the top. Cray.
Liar.
I'm not lying. Anyway, he's still in the background. Oh, you hit the play button.